Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Dropbox, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Locate the sign up or get started button on the home page. Click the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a new page with several registration options. You can choose to sign up with your email address or use a Google account. If you select email registration, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements outlined. Confirm your password by typing it again in the designated field. Once you have filled in the necessary information, read through Dropbox Terms of Service. Check the box indicating that you agree to the terms. Click on the Create an Account button to proceed. After registering, you may receive a confirmation email from Dropbox. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation message. Click on the verification link within the email to activate your account. You will be redirected to the Dropbox website, where you can log in. Enter your email address and password in the login fields. You can now start exploring your new Dropbox account. Consider downloading the desktop or mobile application for easier access. Once installed, log in with the same email and password you used to register. Now you are ready to store and share files securely with Dropbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.